Music wo goyimba music mulungi lwaki tomutunda nnyo mu bantu okubanga naye amanyikibwa.
I think always sometimes agala kutryinga bintu bingi kubanga music wange si wa kigunda okitegeera ate banayi baagalamu ka kigunda so music wange wa oteeka okutuula uwulize. So I think mu Ugandan ear ninganga mu line ya Maurice Kiria ne Kenneth Mugabe nabo batwala sometime before abantu ne bakitegeera mbuno ono music tumutegeera. So nange ndi ku lugendo olwo mbuno bananga abantu bagenda kutandika okulaba music wange bamutegeere tumuweeyo.
Okwata kanute ne
EPAS banange interestingly manager wange my former manager she introduced me to EPAS nga tugenda kola olulimbo lwa Jolly way back nagamba so I think no you may learn from him and since then we became friends. I met namusanga EPAS ne tukwatagana bulungi kwanga zanya nange nezanya but he's such I think great supporter for me. Mubiona nengamba Pascal help me this nangamba Solome tuchikole let's do this. So since then I've been with him.
You are in two in one.
Nah, not two. Neda bambi temubi gata we're just really good friends. Wanji mukwano.
Do you have hopes of doing collaborations n'abayimbi betulaba bali Kenya chiberenga
chikwataria even yeah, and that's going to happen at least with my team. To plan is to do some really good collaborations. I think the only collaboration Jena Kolako yes Saint Nelly said Nakola Orimba love lead, but we're going to do more collaborations with other people so that to mixing different vibes. Solome nomuteka bana okay na EPAS truthfully let me start mubasajja mwagala basajja mutabeko. Okay, so the line which I really want to go is ne line yange era mugena gitegeera Maurice Kiria Kenneth Mugabe EPAS. I would like some to Nenavio Mubachala Jugena Kanyomazi. I'd really like to do something with her. I think Chijakuere Chamanyi ne Rachel Magola.